Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to go through the top 5 best MetaTrader 4 brokers in South Africa. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Firstly, MetaTrader 4 is one of the most popular forex trading platforms around. Developed by MetaQuote software and created for analyzing the financial markets, the platform offers the opportunity for beginners and all skill levels to trade with a simple-to-use, advanced, flexible trading system. The MetaTrader 4 platform is supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems, and offers a variety of services. Choosing a trustworthy broker who uses MetaTrader 4 can be a difficult process. So, in this list, we will be taking a look at some of the best MetaTrader 4 brokers that you can trade with in South Africa right now. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FXCM. FXCM is a fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, indices, commodities and cryptocurrencies, offering competitive spreads on a variety of currency pairs and CFD instruments. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, NinjaTrader, ZuluTrade, as well as FXCM's Trader Station, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXCM's accounts are available on standard, mini and active trader accounts with competitive spreads, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, up to 39 tradable currency pairs on active or standard accounts, and more. FXCM also provides their very own educational center, which delves into Forex training courses, an educational video library, a Forex beginner's guide section, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. At number 4, we have Hot Forex. Hot Forex is another great online fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, and HF copy accounts with lower leverage, lower minimum deposits, variable spreads, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, training courses, and webinars which you can sign up to whenever you please. Coming in at number 3 on our list is FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with up to 50 tradable market instruments and commodity options, lower leverage, access to their mobile application, tighter spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, their own economic calendar, technical and fundamental analysis panels, as well as a few ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies for you to browse through as you please. At number 2 on our list, we have XM. XM is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Micro, Standard, XM Ultra Low, and Shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also offers their very own educational center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. And coming in at number 1 on our list of the top 5 best MetaTrader 4 brokers in South Africa, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's Web Trader, and for all your mobile trading needs, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the Best Forex Broker, the Most Reliable Broker, the Best Educational Broker, the Best Affiliate Program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online financial broker. And those are the top 5 best MetaTrader 4 brokers in South Africa on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.